Hello everyone, this is Farhan Ali, and today I am going to teach you glycolysis in my way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before we start the process of the glycolysis, let us know something about glycolysis. As we know that glycolysis is the first step of the respiration, so it is common in both aerobic and anaerobic respiration. It is important because in glycolysis the partial breakdown of the glucose takes place. Complete breakdown of the glucose can only take place in aerobic respiration, and in anaerobic respiration always partial breakdown of the glucose takes place. Since glycolysis was discovered by Emden, Meyerhoff, and Parnas, so it is also known as EMP pathway. And the site of the glycolysis is cytoplasm of the cell. We know that anaerobic respiration takes place in yeast and prokaryotes, some prokaryotes. Now let us start with the 10 crucial steps of the glycolysis. We know that glucose is the most readily substance which could be used as a respiratory substrate in the glycolytic pathway. So we are starting with the glucose. Now, glucose, as you can see that glucose is converted into glucose 6-phosphate in the presence of the hexokinase enzyme, and as you can see the ATP is utilized here. The ATP breaks into ADP plus inorganic phosphate. Now the inorganic phosphate is now attached to the glucose, and the glucose is converted into glucose 6 phosphate. You can see that the inorganic phosphate which has become free here is now joining with the glucose and becoming glucose 6 phosphate. You know that the glucose and fructose are isomer between each other, so isomerase enzyme is used here, and glucose 6 phosphate is converted into fructose 6 phosphate. Now fructose 6 phosphate is converted into fructose 1,6 bisphosphate utilizing one molecule of ATP, and again this ATP is hydrolyzed into ADP plus inorganic phosphate. This inorganic phosphate is joined with the fructose and has become fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. सिक्स्थ पोजीशन पे फॉस्फेट पहले से था फ्रक्टोज पे. नाउ फर्स्ट एंड सिक्स दोनों पोजीशन पे फॉस्फेट जुड़ चुका है. ये जो फॉस्फेट यहाँ से फ्री हुआ था ये फ्रक्टोज के फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे जाकर जुड़ा है. यहाँ पे एक एंजाइम है जो कि बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, फॉस्फोफ्रक्टोकाइनेज. एनसीईआरटी में दिया है, आपने रटा भी होगा, इसको रट लेना है. इट इज़ नोन एज द पेस मेकर ऑफ द ग्लाइकोलिसिस. इसको रट ही लेना है भैया, इसको रट लेना है. फ्रक्टोज 1,6 फॉस्फेट नाउ splits into DHAP and PAGAL. DHAP is ketone and PAGAL is aldehyde. So they are also isomer between each other. So the DHAP is converted into PAGAL. They are interconverted between each other and becomes two molecule of PAGAL. पागल इज बेसिकली फॉस्फोग्लिसरल्डिहाइड, शॉर्ट फॉर्म में हम पागल उसे कह रहे हैं. नाउ टू मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ 1,3-bis phosphoglyceraldehyde is formed. It is basically 1,3-BPGA, and during the conversion of pagal into 1,3-BPGA, it is oxidized. The phosphoglyceraldehyde is oxidized. The NAD plus, it receives two redox equivalents. So this is redox equivalent H plus and forms two molecules of NADH2. This is also an energy currency which is very important. And 1,3-BPGA is further converted into 3-PGA, and at this step, two molecules of ATP is synthesized. Two molecules of ATP is synthesized at this step and forms 3-PGA. 3-PGA is further converted into 2-PGA, further into 2-PEP, and when PEP is converted into pyruvic acid, which is the last step of the glycolysis, it leads to the conversion of two molecules of ATP. Let us recap again the process of glycolysis. Glycolysis occurs in 10 steps. The first and third step is very crucial because at first and third step, ATP is utilized. Remember that ATP is utilized, not synthesized. ATP is utilized at first and third step. Now, the ATP कहाँ पे synthesize हुआ है वो भी हम बात करेंगे. ATP is synthesized when 1,3-BPGA is converted. 1,3-BPGA is converted into 3-PGA. At this step, two molecules of ATP is synthesized. एंड लास्ट स्टेप जो होता है व्हेन पेप इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू पायरुविक एसिड, यहाँ ऑल्सो सिंथेसिस हो रहा है एटीपी का. नाउ हम लोग एनर्जी कैलकुलेशन करते हैं पहले. व्हेन वी डू एनर्जी कैलकुलेशन, हमने ध्यान दिया होगा जो एटीपी का यूटिलाइजेशन हो रहा है, यूटिलाइजेशन एट फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड स्टेप हो रहा है, एट फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड स्टेप हो रहा है, एंड 2 ATP इज यूज्ड। नाउ एटीपी जो फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है वो यहाँ पे हम ध्यान देंगे, लास्ट स्टेप पे 2 ATP का फॉर्मेशन हुआ है और यहाँ पर भी 2 मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ ATP का फॉर्मेशन हुआ है, तो नेट ATP 4 ATP बना है, एंड नेट ATP जो गेन होगा वो हमारा 2 ATP आएगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे देखिए 4 ATP का तो हम लोग सिंथेसिस किए हैं एंड 2 ATP जो था वो यूज़ हुआ है, नेट गेन 2 ATP का होगा, एंड जो व्हेन पागल वाज कन्वर्टेड इनटू 1,3-B-PGA 2 मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ NaDH2 भी बनता है यहाँ पर। सो नेट जो एनर्जी का गेन है तो 2 ATP एंड 2 NaDH2 बनता है। Thank you very much. Hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe, and please support me.